Start by finding the person you want to work with in My Friends. Search by email, then send a friend request. The other participant sees the request and chooses whether to accept it. Once accepted, the friendship is established. A conversation is a user room. Name it, choose an accepted friend, and create it. Only accepted friends appear here. A pending request cannot be invited yet. The new room opens with its participant roster and a composer for shared conversation. Post a message to start the room. Both participants can now see the same conversation. That is the complete path. Find a friend, create a room, and begin collaborating.